Hey yo, so today we had some, get the garage up. Yesterday we had a lot of traditional work. Today we have a lot of water-fed pole work. It's supposed to be a windy day, so we're trying to get this done as soon as possible. I'm gonna use the trusty Xero Pure. For poles today, I'm gonna bring my gardener pole. Got the Unger and my boar hair, but I got held on with some duct tape. But I will need a long arm. It's like a 9-inch extender. Gardener pole is ready to go. Two garlic poles today for some high pole work at one of the water-fed pole jobs we have. Can't get everything down to water-fed pole because there's not a supply source in the back. I'll need this guy. So this is that Xero Ultimate 40 pole. This thing is the easiest pole I've ever used. I'm not just saying that. It's the best pole. It's super light. Look at those clamps. I mean, I've used everything, man. This is top of the line, class act. Some guys won't believe it, but trust me, until you use it, you won't believe it. I've used Tucker. Tucker is like a tank. Tucker is, you know, what you want for, I mean, but it's super heavy. The 35-foot Tucker is an arm blaster by the end of the day. And this thing, I used it the other day for 4 hours straight. Of course you're gonna be tired after that, but I mean, not nearly as tired as I am for using like the Tucker pole for a few hours. But saying that, I'm more careful with this pole than I am with the Tucker, because that Tucker is built like a tank. And but that thing, I would not go higher than 35 feet with it because it just wasn't worth it. So let's see, we're also going to try out the Tucker Swivel today. So that's how that works. This will loosen it up for you. Real easy. If you want it tight, just tighten it up. It'll just move a little bit. But I'm gonna use it a little bit today, and then I have a job tomorrow that I think it'll work really nice for. But great, I think this would be great for regular cleans. You hit the glass fast with it. Don't have to worry about really going up and down too hard with anything. Just straight, easy, simple. So we're reaching it without reach it. This brush is just a little too heavy for this. Is just way too heavy. Let's start with the Tucker port here. It's just way too much weight. You probably ask why I have that big extender on there. It's because that ledge up there has a railing that I have to get under.
yesterday got crazy windy. We weren't able to get everything done as far as our big water fed pole jobs. So I'm going to try to get today, but it's supposed to be even windier today than yesterday. But I'm hoping that it maybe waits till a little later and I can get some of this stuff done. So what should have taken one day might take 3 days. For water fed pole, when it gets windy, there was also construction around the places we were at. So today we'll just kind of do our best, and I got one restaurant to do before I get my first water fed pole job, and then I could have 2 more, or could have a couple houses to go help out on. So we're gonna see what happens today. It's kind of a mission. Alrighty, so we're done with the first restaurant. Let's go to the next job. Well, finally finished our day here out in Longmont. It's crazy. All these houses here didn't used to be here. Sorry for the wind. 4 years ago, and it was just this house, and now this house is all around it. So you know, I was talking about the wind. So this blue ladder flew off my truck and broke my mirror. Freaking sweet end of the day. That wraps it up, guys. So took a couple days to make that vid, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Kind of day in the life. And it also, oh, yep, I also scratched my car. Oh yay. Alright guys, that's about it for me. Talk to you later.